Alright, so the first thing we need to do when we translate any sentence is to find the verb. And if we look here, it's our delicious verb, okay? And this means to choose from elego, elegere, elegi, electus, which is where we get the word elect. Oh yeah! So we look at the end, and we know the end, nt, means the subject is going to be they. So then we have to think about, okay, is it just going to be they, or do we have a nominative plural somewhere in here that is going to represent they? And you can kind of look at these words. This is not nominative, right? And it's not plural, so it's singular and it's not nominative. This is not nominative. This one is nominative plural, right? That A ending. And if we look, there's only one more noun, and that is also not nominative singular, or nominative plural. So this is our only option. It's an adjective, right? Which is going to mean like virtuous. And here it's got a feminine ending. And this is an adjective taking the place of a noun. It's called a substantive. And whenever you have an adjective take the place of a noun, it's just called a substantive adjective. So instead of saying like pudicae feminae, it's just saying pudicae. So this is the virtuous women. And that is going to be our subject. So we would say, if I can spell it here, virtuous, maybe, women. And then this is choose. But if we look at it, it's they. And remember, we always read it backwards so we can get the subject. And then here we're looking for a tense indicator. E doesn't look like a tense indicator, but it actually is, because this is a third conjugation verb. Third conjugation verbs have E as a tense indicator for the future tense. So remember, 1, 2, bo, bib, boo for future tense, and then 4, 3, right? Fourth and third conjugation. Ye into the future. So this is going to be virtuous woman will choose. Okay, and then we have to look for an accusative. So who or what are they going to choose? And we over here we have a dude, right? We'll choose a man. Then we have two naked ablatives. Naked ablative number 1, naked ablative number 2. And remember, whenever you have a naked ablative, you are just going to fwib it from, with, in, or by, right? So here, by probably makes the most sense. You could use with. With would probably make sense too. With, like the mind or the spirit, not the I. And so in any case, we'll choose a man. You could say by means of the mind, or with the mind. Oh my goodness. Means I chose the wrong one. I should used with the mind. Only because this is too wordy. What is that? Not the I. Alright. So virtuous women will choose a man with the mind, or by means of the mind, not by means of the eye. There you go.